The faith of Jesus, Revelation 14:12. Here are they that keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus. Good morning, everyone. See, did you know there is a difference between having faith in Jesus and having the faith of Jesus? Many people believe in God when life is good, but the faith of Jesus is trusting God when life makes no sense. Jesus showed his faith at the cross. Imagine betrayed by friends, rejected by his own people, suffering pain beyond imagination, and yet Jesus still trusted his Father. That's the faith Revelation talks about. Today, we live in a world controlled by feelings. If people feel happy, they trust God. If they feel discouraged, they walk away. But feelings change. God's word doesn't. See, the faith of Jesus teaches us to trust God beyond emotions. It says, obey when it's difficult, stand when others compromise, and believe even when you cannot see the outcome. That is why Revelation connects the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus, because real faith changes the way we live. And Revelation also says God's people have the spirit of prophecy. Why? Because Jesus does not leave people in darkness. He guides them through the word, through his word, and through prophetic truth to prepare them for the last days. Ellen G. White once wrote that the greatest evidence of Christianity is not profession but transformation. Friends, God is not only calling us to believe in him, he is he is calling us to reflect his character. So tonight or this morning, ask yourself, do I only know Jesus or do I truly have the faith of Jesus? Because one day soon, faith will be more important than comfort, more important than popularity, and even more important than fear. And those who hold on to Christ's faith will one day look up and say in Isaiah 25, verse 9, lo, this is our God. We have waited for him, and he will save us. God bless.